Alright guys, once again it is time to get out your Saturday night snack and a movie planning journal. This coming Saturday we are going to be watching The Legend of Billie Jean. And I have an awesome snack to make. This is going to be super fun. So open your journals to a clean page and get ready to write down everything I tell you that you're going to need for this weekend's snack. The first thing you're going to need is donut holes. Now I got these from the bakery. These are blueberry donut holes. They had plenty of other kinds. They even had some Entenmann's in the store in the bread aisle, I believe. But these I found to be the most round donut holes that I could actually find. And for what we're going to be making, that's what you want. There's a scene in The Legend of Billie Jean where they're hiding out in an abandoned miniature golf course. There are tons of multicolored golf balls just rolling around all over the place. So that's what we're going to be making. And we're going to start with those donut holes. The next thing you're going to need to accomplish this is candy melting wafers in a bunch of different colors. We've got green here, we've got blue, we've got yellow, and then I have a couple left over from the last time I made candy. I have some pure white, and I have some red. So that's going to give us 5 different colors. You can get these at Walmart or Mark's for about $5 a bag. Now, in order to melt this candy before we dip our donut holes in it and coat it with the candy, you're going to need something to do that in. And this is what I suggest you get right here, a candy melting pot. This is by Wilton. You can get this for about $25 at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it at the craft stores. But you also want to get one of these candy dipping spoons. Now, if you look at this here, you can see it's shaped kind of like a cone, and it is a spiral. That basically allows you to put your little donut hole right in there, dip it in the candy, and when you lift it out, since it's a spiral under there, it's going to allow the extra candy to drip off. Now, you can use a regular spoon. It's not going to work as well. You can use a fork. It's not going to work as well. This is the best kind of thing that you can get. And again, that's going to be available in like the baking section at Walmart or any craft store. And the last thing you're going to want to get is some strawberry milk. Now, it doesn't have to be Nesquik, just strawberry milk. Because there's a scene in this movie that has to do with a strawberry milkshake. And you guys know that I love to tie in our snack to our movie. So strawberry milk will do the trick unless you want to personally make a strawberry milkshake. So that's it, guys. Legend of Billie Jean coming up on Saturday. Get out your Saturday night snack and a movie planning journal. Write down everything that I just said, and you can be prepared to do everything that I'm going to do this coming Saturday for movie night.